Hello and welcome back. Thank you for joining us again today. I'm Douglas.
And I'm Adam.
And this is the Highland Hikers. So you're joining us today on Father's Day for a nice wee walk with me and my son again. We are at Kelburn Wind Farm just now and we're going up another small hill. This one is called Blaeloch Hill. Are you looking forward to today's walk, Adam?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you think it'll be as good as the last one we went on?
I think it might be even better.
You think it might be even better?
Because it does look taller.
Does it look taller? I think it's actually a wee bit smaller than the last one. But you know what we'll be able to see today?
What?
The sea.
Oh, yeah.
Is that fun? Are you looking forward to being able to see out to that?
And we can maybe take the way down and do a look back round.
Yeah, well, we can certainly see what we can do. So do you want to start heading along the track and up the hill, Adam?
And maybe we can even go down to the sea.
I think we're a bit far, but we'll be able to see the sea. Yeah. Okay, should we get on with it then? Yeah.
We don't like the sheep with antlers. Sheep behind us.
So you should be able to see that we've arrived at the wind farm itself now. We've been walking up the access track for about 3.5 kilometres. We've been going for about an hour so far. And this is the point where we're going to leave this nice track that we're on and head across the grassy bit to get to the top of the hill, Adam. Does that sound good?
Yes.
What's been your favourite bit of the walk so far?
The bit right here.
The bit right here when we can see the wind farm, yeah?
And also when we can see the sheep.
The sheep, you really liked the sheep, didn't you? But you're looking forward to getting to the top, Adam, and maybe having some lunch? Should we get on and do that then?
And then after lunch I can have crisps and a penguin biscuit.
Oh, that sounds good. Well, that is us at the summit of Blaeloch Hill now, marked by just a couple of small stones that Adam is standing on just now, but that's you at the top of the hill now. Is that good? So what are we going to do now, Adam?
Go over to the rocks over there.
Over to the rocks over there? Do we think there's a better view from that point? Yeah?
And we can see the seaside, hopefully.
Hopefully, so should we head over to there and maybe have our sandwiches when we get over there?
And then we can have my penguin biscuit and crisps.
Yeah, that'll be good. So let's head over there then. What do you think that is, Adam?
Maybe a plane or a wind turbine.
A plane or a wind turbine? There's quite a lot of bits and pieces around, isn't there?
Is here a wind turbine or a plane? Because that's one of its wings and then there's another one over there. So we've just done the short wee walk across to this neighbouring hill with a nice big cairn on it, which is a bit more impressive than the one at the top of Blaeloch Hill itself. This hill's 7 metres shorter. I don't think it even has a name, but certainly that cairn is there to mark the better view we've got, so we can see down to a number of the islands. You can see Cumbria with the town of Millport on it, popular for kind of day trippers, and we can see out to Butte as well, and even just about across to Arran, although it is mostly obscured by the clouds just now. Do you like the view better over here, Adam? Yeah, you can see the sea now, can't you? Whereas we couldn't really see it at the other one, could we? Anything exciting out there? Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Is it definitely lunchtime now? Yeah, let's have our sandwiches then.
Are those different countries over there?
No, they're not different countries. They're still part of Scotland.
It doesn't look like it.
And they are.
Across the ocean.
They're across the ocean. Well, that's us just enjoyed a nice lunch at the big cairn behind us, and we're now heading back to the wind farm access track so that we can head down from the hill and back to the car. It's gotten a wee bit cooler sitting at the top there, but it's still been quite nice. The rain has stayed off, so that's good, and I think it's been quite an enjoyable walk so far. So I think what we'll do is catch up with you when we get down to the car park, because it's the same route up and the same route down, so not much else to see. Well, that's us back at the car park now, and we have finished the walk. Do you know how far we went today, Adam?
5 miles.
It was more than that. We did 10 kilometres today, which is like 6.5 miles. So that was quite a long walk, wasn't it? Are your legs quite tired now?
No.
No? So how come you were saying, I'm tired, I want to go back to the car?
After all those breaks I took.
Oh, okay. And did you enjoy today's walk? What was your favourite bit?
When I was right next to the turbine.
Next to the turbine. What about the crashed plane that we found?
That was also good.
That was also good. And where was that plane from, do you remember?
World War II.
It was, yeah, crashed in World War II. There was a wee sign we found about it afterwards, so that was quite interesting. So how did this walk compare to your first hill walk? Was this better or not quite as good?
Better.
Better?
Because we saw a crashed plane.
That was pretty cool. So that's you done two hill walks now?
Out of 100.
Out of 100. So
I mean out of 1,000.
out of 1,000? When did it become 1,000?
I mean a million.
A million? Well, that is an awful lot of hill walks, Adam. We'll see how many we can get done. So should we say goodbye to everyone and say see you in the next one?
See you in the next one.
Bye.